What's going on? Today I installed a Fender extension on the Road King, and pretty much I just wanted to go over it a little bit more in detail and let you guys know what it took and where you can buy it. I can post a link up on the description. That way you guys can check it out. So I have a 2002 Road King, and I did the extension on the bags. I added the extension, and I was like, oh, it still has a gap down there by the fender. It kind of was throwing it off, so I decided to go and purchase a fender extension as well. It was not that hard to install it. I did it myself. I did not need instructions or anything like that. So if I can do it, you guys can too. Besides that, it was purchased on eBay, so it was really cheap as well. So let me just show you guys a little bit more. Alright, so these are the fender extensions that I added from TCMT. I bought these on eBay as well. I have another video showing you how to kind of install these a little bit more. I did get nice little emblems online. Kind of wanted for the bag and the extension to blend in a little bit more to cut this line. So this kind of was a nice little detail that I added. So if we go back here, you guys can see this piece right here, the fender. This is where the fender ends right here. So I added this. This is all one piece. It came all together one piece. And when you take your bags off, this on the side should have already been pre-drilled when I received them, but it didn't have no holes. Everything was solid. So what I did, I lined this extension evenly. I lined it up, but it was still having a pretty big gap on the sides right here. You can kind of see a little tiny gap there, but the gap was a lot bigger. And what I did, the fender extension goes up, kind of loops all the way in here, inside, tucks into the other fender. So what I did, I trimmed it where it was hitting, that wasn't allowing it to go up more. So I trimmed that down, and it was able to sit a little bit more flush up in there. So you are gonna need a little bit of modification if you do get these extensions. They're not perfectly made. The paint is similar to the TCMT bags, so it's vivid black and it blends pretty well. It looks pretty good. But yeah, you're gonna have to drill 2 holes on the side. So inside here, going this way into the fender. So my fender now has 2 drilled holes on each side. And then I found small bolts, put the bolt through the nut on the inside part. And yeah, after what, like an hour or so, trying to get everything lined up and drilled, this is the outcome. This is how it looks at the end. Very satisfied. Have another emblem on this side too, but it makes the Road King look a lot more flush, sits a little lower, and it's more even. So I'll be posting the link up on the description, and you guys can check it out. If you guys have any questions, comment, and I'll reply to the comments on there. All right, peace.